Hey Aries. So this is going to be your love reading for the month of July. Please keep in mind, if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well.
Yeah, this is why this individual that I'm picking up on, they're trying to figure out what to do. Yeah, because they're afraid that right now things are improving financially on their end, but they're afraid that things may not improve with you because of everything that they put you through. Yeah, see what I'm saying? Look at that Queen of Wands. There's definitely like some type of mother figure interfering here. There is, for a lot of y'all. If not, this could be like a love interest, but there's a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius that somebody's dealing with, and this is why you guys aren't positive if you two are going to come back together. You know, because at one point I felt like you guys were having a hard time with this, but you guys basically got out of this energy of being frustrated about the situation, and you're just healing, and you're moving on. And that's why I told you guys in the beginning, I'm picking up that a lot of you guys have just been working on yourself, focusing on yourself, getting advice from someone. Some of you guys have been, you know, reaching out or seeing like a therapist, a counselor, like just something like that. Or if you haven't, I feel like some of you guys are thinking about doing it just to kind of get some things off your chest. But I'm seeing that both you and this individual I'm picking up on, both of you guys are making changes. But whoever messed up here, I do feel like they're having a hard time coming towards you because of this mess that they put you in. And at the end of the day, they were being sneaky in the past, but they are making changes in order to have this new start with you, because they feel like the seeds that they planted with you, they want them to grow. They do. But see, look, they're stuck in the codependent situation, and they know that they have to remove themselves. There's definitely third-party interference here, Aries. Or cross-watcher, if you're dealing with an Aries, this is what's going on. But they're going to remove themselves. And I feel like they're going to do it fast. They're going to rush in. They're going to rush in really quickly here. But they're just afraid that things are not going to improve with you, because they messed up. Yeah, and that's why they're not talking to you right now. So definitely there's no communication between the two of you right now. Because, yeah, this person, there was a lot of conflict between your person and the person that they've been dealing with. There's just been a lot of, like, arguing going on. And I feel like whoever messed up, they've been battling themselves, trying to figure out how to get out of this situation, how to come back towards you, if you're even going to be willing to hear them out. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Tell me about the Queen of Pentacles. Okay. Well, actually, hold on. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you guys are representing the Queen of Pentacles. So what this is letting me know is that you guys, remember I told you, you guys are focusing on you. You're healing. You're worried about your own stability, you know, and this person, I feel like they're picking up on you, or they could be like keeping an eye on you, and they know like you're just moving on. And so this person, they want to come in. They want to rush in. They want to tell you everything, but at the same time, they don't have the strength to do it right now. This is why you guys aren't really hearing from them. They do want to start over and build something with you, because they do want a future with you. Look at that. Somebody's dealing with a Taurus. I'm telling y'all, this person wants to have a commitment with you. They see themselves marrying you, and that's what they want to tell you. There's communication coming in about a new beginning here. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But see, they want to tell you that they made a decision, and then they cut someone off, you know? It's like they're wanting to come and speak their truth. It's just what I'm picking up here. I'm telling you, they know that you're the one. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. See what I'm saying? They learned their lesson, Aries, and they're going to move forward. They're wanting to move forward with you. Tell me more. Ace of Wands tried to jump out, but then the Ace of Cups. I'm telling y'all, this person wants to have a new beginning with you, okay? This person is getting ready to give you the offer that you deserve. They're not playing. Tell me more. Excuse me. But see, this requires them to remove themselves from a third-party situation. I was picking up on that. Yeah, okay. They're afraid. Sorry, y'all. I don't know why my voice is going out randomly. Y'all, this person is having a hard time talking to y'all. Excuse me. So, this person's afraid that things aren't going to improve between the two of you. And it's like they want happiness with you. But I'm going to be honest with you. For some of you guys, there is a child involved here. Child or children, and this is why this person, I feel like they're feeling stuck. So either there's news about a child or children, or it's like you already know this, and this is why they're having a hard time coming towards you. They are. Yeah, see, justice. See what I'm saying? Somebody could be going through a legal situation. Remember I told you in the beginning, somebody, there was like a mother or a mother figure, child's mother, something like that I was picking up on, and it's something regarding money. And I'm seeing it here. There could be like a court battle, legal situation, child support. It could be anything like that. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Clarify justice. And they're afraid you're going to go off on them. Somebody's definitely dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. See what I'm saying? They're afraid they're not going to have a new beginning with you because of some type of family situation. I'm telling you, it's something like that. See? They want a new beginning. If the Empress... Yeah. Clarify the Ace of Wands. Yeah, see, they do want a new beginning with you. They're making plans. The child thing isn't for everyone. That's why I said this is just general, y'all. Take whatever fits. But for a lot of you guys, your person does want to have a new beginning with you. They're just needing to get out of the situation. It could be like mother, son, mother, daughter. Or if they have children with someone or a child with someone, they're needing to get out of that. But again, I am seeing a new start here. But see, this person has a hard time speaking their truth to you. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Look, see? They want a family with you. They want wish fulfillment with you. They want a victory with you. See what I'm saying? I'm telling y'all, this person is coming back, Aries. And they made a decision. What's their decision, please? The Tower. Why is the Tower here? Hold on. They made a decision that they want to come towards you, but there was a shakeup on their end, and some of you guys could be dealing with the Cancer, but the way the Chariot came out, it's like they want to move forward with you, but right now they're not. Why is that? Because they're not using their intuition. Why? They're talking to somebody. Remember I told y'all, like, yeah, there's communication taking place. And they're trying to get advice to figure out what to do. Then I told y'all, I feel like this person is keeping an eye on y'all. They're watching you. Could be an Aquarius. But they're just trying to see, like, where you are, how you're feeling, like, if you're posting anything, if, you know, you're just moving on, if you're dealing with someone. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But this person, I'm telling you, they're watching you to see if you moved on because they want to come in and give you this offer that you deserve. It's a secure offer. This is somebody who is like business minded. Like they have their stuff together financially. You know, even though I do see them worried about money because they've been giving to someone, this person does have it together. But they're afraid that you let them go for good. See, look at that. 2 tens. So this karmic cycle that's been going on between the two of you is done. There's a new cycle starting. This person is hoping that you can forgive them because they've betrayed your trust time and time again. And see, that's why right now they're going through a transformation. I feel like this person is healing as well. There was something that took place on their end, and right now they've been trying to, you know, cope with that. They've been trying to heal from something that took place on their end. Could have been dealing with a Scorpio, but see, now they don't want to move slow with you anymore. And now they're just sitting back thinking about everything, because everything that they went through, even that Tower moment, this was their lesson. They had to go through this, guys, in order to make some serious changes in their life. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. But see, now they're frustrated within themselves because they're sitting back thinking about everything that they put you through. And see, now they're making a decision here, but they're dragging their feet to come towards you. Could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But they're coming out of being frustrated about some type of third-party situation. Clarify the 3 of Cups. Yeah, see, they're going to be single. So if it's a love interest, they're going to free themselves. They're going to break things off. If it's family that's been interfering, they're going to free themselves from that. It's like before they were worried, now they're not. They're like, you know what, F it, I ain't worried about it. You know, if I got to give this person money or whatever it is, I'll figure it out, but I want to be with the person that I want to be with. See? Then I just say if they want to give them money, they're going to figure it out. They're trying to balance things out. They have to give to this other person, this third-party individual. They know it. Tell me more, see what I'm saying? And that's why I'm telling you, in the past, that's why things were moving slow, because they were worried about their financial stability. Now it's like, I'm not going to say they don't care, but they don't care. You know what I'm saying? They're just like, whatever. Let me get myself out of this situation because I want to be with the person that I love. Look at that. They love you. I'm telling you, they're coming towards you. Could be dealing with a Gemini. Somebody could be dealing with another Aries. But see, this is why there was no stability between the two of you in the past, and they know this. And this is why they want to come back to work things out. They're no longer worried about taking a financial hit from whoever they were entertaining, whoever they were helping. They're coming out of that energy. I'm telling you, they're healing. They're healing right now. Ace of Pentacles reversed, see? But at the same time, they're afraid you're not going to accept their offer, but they don't want you to walk away from them. So this is why I see them trying to let go of trying to be in control. See? Yeah, they were. And it's like they're coming out of being frustrated, but they're scared. Somebody could have been dealing with a Capricorn. Clarify the devil. And that's why they weren't putting in the work. Because one, they're scared that you're not going to take them back. Two, they were in some type of toxic environment, toxic situation, and this is why they didn't put forth the effort trying to come back to fix things with you. But now they want to give you the offer that you deserve. They're just afraid you're not going to take it. They're afraid you don't want to have a relationship with them. So even though they're coming out of worrying, and I see them making a decision about you, I knew it. Y'all are sign number 8. Is it 8? Yeah, 8 that I'm doing today. When I tell you I have seen 11 back to back like this, every single reading there is something going on during Scorpio season, and I am here for it. See, I'm seeing 11. So, soulmate twin, I'm telling y'all, somebody's making some serious changes this month. I keep seeing it. Because they're realizing that they didn't bring balance to you in the past. Now they're doing what they need to do to come back to figure this out. You're going to get your apology. If it doesn't happen this month, they're planning, they're plotting, they're trying to figure out when to do it. Because see, this person left you hanging. They did leave you out in the cold, and they're basically trying to figure out if you forgive them, if you're willing to even hear from them. Because look, there's an offer coming in. They do want to balance things out with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but see, this person is afraid that you don't want to have a happy home with them. You don't want stability with them. And this is why they're not being positive about the situation. They don't know if you're going to take them back, Aries. Y'all, please leave me some comments, because, again, y'all are sign number 8, and I have been seeing this across the board, and I am here for it, okay? Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates. I love you all. I hope you guys enjoyed the reading, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, Aries.